look at that. This is pressure. Pressure. This thing ain't going nowhere. And guys, guess what? This is day 2 of my installation. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be testing out the BMB lace glue. Guys, I am so hype about this glue. Y'all just stay watching. Stay watching. That's all I'm going to say. So guys, this is the finished look, and I am seriously loving everything about this hairstyle, this installation. Lord, I am loving it. Honestly, look at that. Look at that. Yes, courtesy of the B&B Crazy Old Tube Super Lace Glue. Guys, this is it. This is it. This is what laid my wig in place. The B&B glue, guys, it is affordable. Y'all need to try this. You all need to try this. This is a game changer. Trust me. I am seriously in love with this glue. Hello. Hello. And guys, guess what? This is day 2 of my installation. And this thing is stiff. It ain't going nowhere. Trust me. I wash my face. Water even catch the lace. And this thing didn't even lift. Just to be honest. It didn't even budge. Look at that. This is pressure. Pressure. This thing ain't going nowhere. Yeah. I think the lifespan in this installation is like about 1 week. Yeah. I know I can keep it on for 1 week because it is holding up strong, firm, solid. B&B, I love you, girl. You changed my life. Period. You get it? Mm-hmm. This is the girl. This is the girl. This is the girl. Period. Period. Yes, honey. B&B, come through for your girl. Guys, I'm really excited. I'm really, really, really loving this glue. Really loving this glue. B&B to the world. I love it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. Yes, subscribe. I repeat, subscribe, people.